Okay, let me remove my mask. I think we're okay without the mask. So we're here now at House of Kalikoba, one of the watch shop that I talked to, and because what the watch I wanted to get, they have it. And I talked to Mr. Hakagi, who's part of the English-speaking staff here, and he said that we could take a video for this YouTube, and he actually mentioned that we should come after store hours. So they're gonna close at 7:30. It's 7:15 now, and we're gonna go introduce ourselves. So let's go and see what the shop is all about. Okay? And yep, gonna enjoy. We have a lot of watches, but they're mostly like used watches. But we'll see what we can, you know, buy, order. So let's go.
Or maybe you could do that over there, or maybe here, or
Probably.
wherever.
It's okay. So we can see a lot of watches. So we can show that you have lots.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the watch that I wanted. They have it here. So it's a 42 millimeter Zenith Ultramero. See? Yeah. Okay.
すみません、つけるのは販売までできないので。
Ah, okay.
当てる
That's
だけ
okay then. I'll just. It's a little bit flat, but what do you think? Do you think it looks good? I think I can manage this one. The leg doesn't go down, but it's okay. Yeah. Oh, all right. I used to watch like a couple of years ago, so.
席にあんまりなかったですか。
Like,
じゃあ、お会計明細書を作るので、お名前とお電話番号とお願いします。
remind you, this guy?
はい、大丈夫です。
Maybe you can just. So maybe I'll ask a couple of questions while she's doing the payment. So I can see that you have like almost hundreds of watches. So you carry most of the brands, high brands, right?
Yes, we have almost
And if like a foreigner wanted to buy, it's either they can come here or they can buy it online, right? And you can do you ship international?
Yes, we do that.
Ah, that's amazing. So, guys, if you wanna buy, look for Mr. K or yep, he speaks English. You have questions, just give them a call. You can buy your watch here. Awesome. I'm gonna enjoy my watch, and I'm gonna do another review for this watch, right? And thank you, Mr. K.
Thank you very much. So did you check the watch? Making sure. I think it's
I'm still recording.
Yeah, I'm gonna take another. This watch, I'm gonna make another separate video about this, and so subscribe and watch out. Okay. Look, they have. I think. I wish I could afford that one. So maybe if you subscribe and help me grow my channel, we'll buy one of these. Hey. Look at this. This is a diamond, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Diamond
That's
over
230 million watch. There you go. I wouldn't be able to afford this one. Not in this lifetime.
I can make a reservation for you.
Yeah, reserve it for maybe 10 years. Yeah, I don't even want Kaysan to take it out of there now. I don't want to put my fingerprint in that watch. It's too much for me. So,
You have many funds.
yeah. I just started, so I'm trying to grow it longer. So, a lot of watch enthusiasts wants to go to Japan. So I started with this one. So maybe I'm also thinking actually going to Nakano. That's the whole place
Yes.
watches. It's like,
Get your money.
Actually, I got my moon watch
Yes.
at Jack Road.
Oh, sure.
So, yeah. So maybe I'll go there and do more videos.
So, plenty of what shops.
I was just got fascinated with the watches. They're amazing. So this is your guy. When you come to Japan, let me know. I'll hook you up with Mr. K. And this place is amazing. Whatever you want, they have it here. So subscribe. Again, I'm gonna say subscribe. And let's grow my channel.
でこちらがうちから去年から出るコショウで名前漢字間違いないですかね。でシリアルとあと型番です。で保証期限がうちは2年間2024年の8月29日までとなっています。ぶつけてしまったり落としてしまったりお水による故障を入れるような対応になりますのでご注意くださいませ。こちらレシートを挟んでおります。でこちらゼニスギャランティーカードです。ここに入れます。
大丈夫。Finally, I have a Zenith. I have my El Primero. This watch, it's getting popular now. It's going higher, so I decided to get it before it's gone.
How many watches do you have right now?
I have
many?
maybe. How many watch? I have like about 6 watch boxes. They're all full, but a lot of Seikos.
Yeah.
The limited edition Seikos, I have most of them. Black Series and the other one. I just gotten the Glacier, the Glacier Seiko. So
Maybe you need to buy another watch box to store many more watches.
I need to buy more watch box. So I got. On the expensive side, I got a Rolex, just one Explorer. I got the Moon watch, and yeah, I don't know how many more I can afford for the expensive ones. Very good. I love the packaging. This is what I love about Japan, guys. When you buy something, the packaging is amazing. It looks luxurious. So, great. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm gonna let you know when the video is ready. I'm gonna send you. Dang, this actually. Dang, patek. Oh, they have the reversal.
Oh, reversal. What's vintage
The one
too?
I'm looking at is not that. Dang, this Omegas.
Why is it that like people always keep designing watches with like so thick bezels? It's like this. Hello.
Dang, there's a lot.
Really tactile. This is so much.
Where are we going to? IWC. Okay. I don't want to go fast.
Maybe slow down a tiny bit.
Where's the good ones? This is Breitling Panerai.
Yeah, I think that's better. How are your arms?
Chidor. Yeah, this IWC is cool. Well set. Stay there. You're the one of the guests looking. There's Shibuya.
You can go this way, take it to the other side, and then we just, you know, we're going to the place, right? Let me check. Okay. So we cross and then we, yeah, cross and then we stay on the right side of the road and just walk down.